Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Mode English podcast channel. This is Maggie. I am your English teacher.
Hello, Maggie. Hello, everyone. My name is John. I am learning English.
Great job, John. Today, we will talk about the weather. We will talk about seasons. We will talk about outdoor activities.
The weather, the seasons, outdoor activities.
Yes, John, very good. Let me ask you something. Do you feel shy when someone asks about the weather?
Yes, I feel shy. I do not know what to say.
That is okay. Many people feel that way. Today, we will fix that problem.
That sounds good.
Do you want to talk about sunny days?
Yes,
Do you want to talk about rain and snow?
yes,
Good. This lesson will help you. Imagine this. You see dark clouds. You say, it is cloudy.
it is cloudy.
Good. Imagine snow falls tomorrow. You say, it is snowing.
It is snowing.
Sounds nice, right?
Yes, I like that.
After this lesson, you can talk about the weather, you can talk about seasons, you can talk about outdoor fun.
I want that.
Great. Let's begin slowly. Let's start with easy weather words. Listen first. Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
windy,
windy,
snowy.
snowy.
Good job. Now listen again. It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is rainy.
It is rainy.
It is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Very good. Now you try. Say it with me. It is sunny. It is rainy. Great job. John, how is the weather today?
The weather today is sunny.
Excellent. You can also say, it is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
Perfect. How is the weather today?
It is cloudy today.
Nice and clear. Now let's talk about seasons. There are 4 seasons.
4 seasons.
Spring,
Spring,
summer,
summer,
fall,
fall,
winter.
winter.
Very good. Seasons and weather. In spring, it is warm. Sometimes it is rainy.
Spring is warm.
Yes. In summer, it is hot. It is sunny.
Summer is hot.
Good. In fall, it is cool. It is windy.
Fall is cool.
Nice. In winter, it is cold. It is snowy.
Winter is cold.
Excellent. Now let's talk about outdoor activities. Outdoor means outside.
Outside.
Listen to these words. Walking,
Walking,
running,
running,
hiking,
hiking,
playing in the park.
playing in the park.
We can say, I like walking.
I like walking.
I like hiking.
I like hiking.
Very good. Now you try. Say one sentence. I like... Great job. John, when it is sunny, I like walking.
When it is sunny, I like walking.
Good. When it is rainy, I stay home.
When it is rainy, I stay home.
Nice and clear. Now questions. Listen carefully. How is the weather?
How is the weather?
What season is it?
What season is it?
What do you like to do outside?
What do you like to do outside?
How is the weather?
It is sunny.
What season is it?
It is spring.
What do you like to do outside?
I like walking.
Excellent, John. Let's review. Listen and repeat. Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
spring.
spring.
I like walking.
I like walking.
Very good. Now, listener, your turn. Answer in your head or out loud. How is the weather today? What season is it? What do you like to do outside? Great job. You are learning English step by step.
Thank you, Maggie. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome, John. You did great today. Thanks for listening. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.